Do parent-reported early indicators predict later developmental language disorder? A Raine Study investigation. This is an Engaged with DLD research summary. Key terms in the study. The Raine Study. This is a study that looks at how children develop over time. About 1,900 pregnant women in Western Australia took part in this study. Referral bias. It means that there were more men than women are getting help from clinicians for language difficulties. Study background. Not identifying children with DLD is a risk to public health, the economy, education and employment, as well as well-being. It is important to identify DLD at an early age. However, DLD is a complex condition with many risk factors. Study aim. This study looked at the relationship between parent-reported early indicators of DLD from birth to 3 years old and children meeting DLD diagnosis at 10 years of age. Study aim number 1. Used the Raine Study data to look at parent-reported early indicators of DLD. Study aim number 2. Test the relationship between parent-reported indicators and children meeting diagnostic criteria for DLD at 10 years of age. Study participants. 1,626 Australian children born between 1989 and 1991. At the age of 10 years old, there are 104 of them have DLD diagnosis. 1,522 of them don't have DLD diagnosis. The study tasks include parent-reported indicators at different early ages, including 1 years old, 2 years old, and 3 years old, as well as DLD diagnostic test result at 10 years old. What was found in the study? First, the Raine Study's data used parent-reported early indicators of DLD, including does not smile or interact with others, does not babble or make sounds, cannot understand what is being said, produces few and easy to understand words, find it hard to combine words and make sentences. Second, parent report indicators. For children without DLD, parents reported significantly more babbling at or before the age of 6 months. Reports of other early indicators show no significant differences between children with DLD and children without DLD. No one parent-reported early indicator alone, or any combination of a few indicators, can fully predict DLD at 10 years of age. Third, sex differences. There was no differences between boys and girls parent-reported early indicators and diagnosis of DLD at 10 years of age. What do the findings mean? There were no differences between males and females being identified with DLD at age of 10. Parent-reported indicators can help guide clinical diagnosis, but no single indicator alone is enough to predict DLD diagnosis later in life. The present study suggests that standardized tests and parent-reported concerns are both necessary for early identification of DLD. This paper is open access, which means everyone can read it. Please click here to find the full paper.